Oh man, again. What's the second one? Oh, push. Oh my God, yeah. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Right here. I got it. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now we got down, right? Oh my God. I got it. Yeah, hold on, let's go. This one now, we're gonna go fast. Yeah. Okay. Devil, that devil is messing me up. All right. 5, 6, 7, go. Right? Okay. 2, 5, 6, 7, go. Devil, right? Alright, right here. 5, 6, 7, go. Yeah. Alright, right there. 5, 82. Alright. Right here. That's why. 5, 6, 7, go. Side. Side.
That was cool. That was super cool.
Ay. Let's go. Yeah. Alan, just show the last part to everyone, bro. Yeah. Now, Lynn gave up, her foot gave up.
No,
Yeah. Oh, Lord. 5 seconds. Oh, 5 seconds, you're gonna take 10 minutes. Yeah. Yes.
Of all the dances, salsa, bachata, compa, I think Kizomba was the most difficult.
No, like, it's not though. But well, like, I can understand what you're saying because if you keep it basic, if you keep it basic, I think that the Kizomba, really Kizomba from Angola, Semba, yeah, it can be difficult because of the inner movement. The slow, the break, well done. Oh, yeah. Well done is difficult because of the small movement. Makes sense, right? The other one, you make big movement.
Voilà.
It's just repetition, But when you really gotta, that's gonna mess you up, But every single one of them, well done, is difficult though. Makes sense, right? Even bachata, the Dominican bachata really do, It's difficult, you know what I'm talking about? Well done is difficult. But the way the world do it, they make it so simple that even salsa, if you want to do really mambo or like really, is also difficult. All of them got their own difficulties, but if you go specific with one native style, that's going to become difficult. But other than that, Eric, Kizomba can be difficult because you have your own movement and you have the lady with you. And then you gotta move according to that makes it hard. That makes it hard. So this one, I'm just gonna start, Alan's gonna finish. So this one you wanna go right here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so the 3 you go 3. Then you go 4. Then you bring 5, 6, 7, 8, virgula, step, cha, marca, cha, side together. One more time. You go 5, 6, 7. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, cha, marca, cha. Finish right here with a bico, yeah? One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pico. So when you're gonna do with your partner, the 1, 2, 3. 1, this is right here, so that way you can wait, and then right here. You finish your cha, right here, yeah? So keep on right along, go ahead, yeah. So understand, right? Yeah. Stand up, though. I'm gonna do it. I gotta go get my car. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, we should go. It's today, right? Yeah, practice, practice.
Let me try this one. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me see now.
3, 4. Yeah.
Okay. One, two, three, four. Okay, 5. One, two, three, 4, 5. I was surprised to see the president is not saying the 5. Cinq, six, sept, 1, 2, 3, 4. Attends, non, je vais manquer un peu, en fait, tu dragues. 5, 6,
Step, hey.
1, 2,
Step, step, step.
6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 7, 5, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. The always in the fair are very style. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2,
Almost there, almost there, almost there. Again. That was good. Whoa. Yeah, Alan, make him not do the double step because he's doing a double step, right?
Yeah, ici, c'est Z niveau, right? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Donc, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Parce que là, je vais te faire 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Yeah, you do an extra step, yeah.
Fait que c'est 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Faut pas, peut-être que celui-là, essaie de pas aller trop loin. Au début, peut-être regarder un peu, ça c'est pas grave, idéal, mais regarder un peu.
Alan, right now, what I do when I do with him, I do like the way we do. You practice with him with just the jinga. Yeah. Practice with him with the jinga, and then you do it with nothing. So that way you guys do it together. Yeah, when I'm not here, that's what you do. Practice a little jinga with him, and then you do it. Yeah.
Seven, ici arrivé. Dans l'école qui est à côté. L'école des enfants. L'école des enfants. Ils présentaient aux enfants. Les enfants jouent avec un serpent. Il y a un gros serpent. Bon, pas gros. Il y a un serpent. Les enfants qui jouent avec le serpent.
Yeah. Hey, you ready? Okay, we're gonna go from the top. One dance Eric, one dance Alan. That's how we're gonna do the video. Yeah, you're gonna be rolling.
Okay, okay. Before we do the last dance, can you do the video without the music? The count.
Okay.
For the video. I don't remember.
No, thank you. Yeah. The count. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5. Push it. 2, 4, 6, 8. Stop. Push it. Mata. Toma. Double. In. Again. In. Side. People. 1, 2, 4, 8, 4, 8, 1. One more time. I want just a glitch. What's a glitch? Right there. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1. Second one, 1. Come back. Bolsa. Back. Mata. Boom. Level. Here. No. Eric. Let go. Come back. Last one, Eric. Matt. Roma. Yeah. Roma. Yeah. Come on. All right. You too now. Music. Let me go. Let me speed you guys up so you can wake up. Alan, good start. One do beside Baraka and the other one do with the girl. Yeah, one Baraka and the other one with the girl. Eric, yeah. Yeah.
Five, six, seven, go. The music is fast.
Hey, you gotta go to bed and sleep before go to the party. Yeah. I gotta do a dance with them in the first hour so that I can have a video for you. Just one freestyle, yeah? No, that's how I hear it. You're getting very good, song. Yeah, very good, man. Yeah. Bonsoir. Bonsoir, mon gars.
Deus